Saskatchewan is expected to announce new restrictions at 12:30 p.m. Eastern. That province is also seeing its numbers surge. In fact, the province has surpassed 100 cases for 6 straight days. Bonnie Allen has a Saskatchewan story.
The number of new COVID-19 cases in Saskatchewan doesn't usually grab national headlines, usually dwarfed by case counts in much larger provinces. But consider this, Saskatchewan's rate of active cases is now higher than Ontario's or BC's, and infectious disease specialists are warning that if nothing changes, Saskatchewan is barreling down the same path as Manitoba into lockdown. The Saskatchewan government hasn't held a public briefing on COVID-19 for the past 9 days. But the Ministry of Health and Chief Public Health Officer are expected to announce more public health measures later this morning. This comes after more than 450 doctors in Saskatchewan signed an open letter to the province warning that hospitals are at capacity already. They said it is becoming increasingly clear to us physicians from across Saskatchewan that we are losing the battle against this virus. If more is not done to change our course, we're confident that winter will bring overflowing hospitals, canceled surgeries, overwhelmed healthcare providers, and needless deaths. The letter calls for more action, but doesn't make any specific recommendations. The leader of the opposition NDP is not calling for a lockdown.
Because where Manitoba is now is where we don't want to get to. And that's what Scott Mosey in Action is risking for us.
Ryan Miley, also a family doctor, says stricter measures now could prevent a lockdown. Bonnie Allen, CBC News, Regina.